everybody.
Hey, how are you, my friend?
How do you?
Everything okay?
Yes, okay. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very happy because I'm so happy to stay here in Bangkok with you, and because every day I practice English conversation with you, and I think and I'm sure our English in short times will be more improved. Sure. You don't
Very nice. Yes.
Believe me,
Yes.
because we going to study English in a very good school. We have a nice teacher.
Nice teacher,
we have
yes.
a nice installation, and we have a nice partner, and I think we are very smart.
Okay, yes.
And now, Skyline and me, we finish already. Eat. Now we enjoy walking in the center of Bangkok, and okay, you can see how is Bangkok.
Yes, Bangkok.
Bangkok is amazing.
Yeah,
It's amazing. Okay, it's the beginning of the weekend now. It's the time of the beginning of the weekend. This attraction is not for us. It's only for the kids.
Yes, only for kids.
We are very old. Though.
Yeah, not adult.
All the time, we can see on the streets and everywhere many beautiful girls.
Yes. So, time's up. Okay, say goodbye.
Enjoy.
Bye bye.
Have fun. Bye bye.
Bye bye.